Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use your Adobe Firefly Generative AI. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your Adobe Firefly in your browser or Creative Cloud app. So, it really depends on you. And once you've signed in, you will just have to select Generative AI from the menu or Generate, and just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will just have to enter a text prompt describing the image or design that you want to generate. So for example, you want a logo that is let's say make me a banana logo or something like that. So you can be as unique as you can be. So yeah, that's basically just it. And then after that, you will just have to click generate. So you will just have to wait for it to load, and sometimes it might take a while. And yeah, wait for it to load. And yep. So it may take a while. It really depends on your internet connection or your version or whatsoever. And after you've generated your picture, as you can see, it has been generated. What you will have to do is you can just, keep it as it is, or you could also edit it if you want. You could edit image, generative fill, use as reference image. It really depends on you. But yeah, that's how you can generate your picture, and then you will just have to click download once you're satisfied with it. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you do have the option of and if you do have the style or colors and size settings, then you can just use that as well. So yeah, make sure to just explore the whole website so that you will be able to make the most out of it. And yeah, that's basically how you can use it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.